Why do you feel stuck, no matter how hard you try? Why does every attempt to change your life end in disappointment, frustration, or fear? You probably blame your past, your family, your environment, your job, your school, your relationships. But here's the real truth nobody tells you. Your life isn't broken because of your circumstances. It's broken because your mind is broken. That voice inside your head, the one that says, "You're not good enough. You'll never succeed. Why even try?" It's not your truth. It's a lie, a limiting belief you've been carrying for years. Today, we're going to expose it and show you exactly how to fix it. Because the first step toward transforming your life is mastering your mind. Let's speak the truth without sugarcoating it. Your life doesn't feel broken because of bad luck. It's not because you were born in the wrong place, or had the wrong parents, or because of the economy, the system, your education. It's because your thinking is stuck in survival mode. Every morning, you wake up full of hope. I'll be different today. You plan your life, you set goals, you consume motivational content, but deep down, you don't act. Instead, you scroll, freeze, procrastinate. You do nothing. Why does this happen? Because your brain doesn't want you to grow. It was designed for survival, not for thriving. It avoids risk. It clings to comfort. It whispers, "You're not ready. It's too late. Just wait for tomorrow." And because you hear that voice every day, you start believing it. That voice becomes your reality. The harshest part? It's not even your own voice. It's a mixture of childhood fears, your parents' anxieties, your teacher's limits, society's expectations, all programmed into your subconscious, turning into mental parasites, whispering, "You'll never amount to anything. You're not talented enough. You don't deserve success." And now, you accept it as truth. But here's the biggest lie of all. Moving to a new city won't change you. Getting a new job won't change you. Changing your friends won't change you. Because if you carry the same mindset, you'll recreate the same problems. Your mind is the blueprint of your life. If the root is sick, the fruit will always rot. You feel stuck, not because you are incapable, but because you were never taught to master your mind. Why do the most successful people stay calm under pressure? Because they trained their minds. They rewired their thinking. David Goggins wasn't born mentally tough. He was overweight, insecure, full of excuses. But instead of quitting, he faced the pain, made a decision, and rewired his brain. And you can too, because your thoughts are not commands. They are habits, suggestions, illusions. I can't do this. According to who? I'm not good enough. Based on what evidence? When you realize thoughts are not facts, you stop being a prisoner. Your mind is like a muscle. It grows stronger by facing challenge. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Growth lies in discomfort. Expose yourself to it. Take the cold shower. Have the difficult conversation. Do the task your brain tells you to delay. Each time you face difficulty, you send a message to your subconscious. I am in control. Your mind doesn't grow from comfort. It grows from action. Feed your mind the right things. If you consume negativity, gossip, toxic people, your mind will weaken. But if you consume truth, silence, nature, good books, constructive habits, your mind will grow powerful. You don't need confidence to start. You don't need readiness. You only need movement. Courage comes after action, not before. Decide today who is in control, your mind or you. Every single day, you are making one of two choices. 1. Let your mind run your life. 2. Take control of your mind. Step 1. Challenge your narratives. When your mind says, "This is just how I am," ask yourself, according to who? Identity is not fixed. It's fluid. You can become whoever you decide to be. Step 2. Create before you consume. Stop endlessly absorbing content and start producing. Write, solve, build. Tell your brain, I am a creator, not a consumer. Step 3. Speak power into existence. Replace, I hope, I will. I'm trying, I am. Your subconscious doesn't hear excuses. It hears repetition. Step 4. Celebrate small wins. Waking up earlier, choosing water over soda, reading one more page. These small victories prove to your brain, change is possible. Step 5. Use discomfort as fuel. That pain you feel, that fear you try to avoid, is growth happening in real time. Each time you skip the workout, each time you delay the hard conversation, you choose temporary comfort and permanent weakness. Step 6. Change your environment. Only after your mind changes. Your messy home, toxic people, financial struggles, all reflect your inner reality. Fix your mind, and your life will follow. Your environment will mirror your mental blueprint. That's why lottery winners often go broke, because their mindset wasn't built for abundance. This is why moving across the world doesn't erase problems. Your inner reality travels with you. Your life isn't a mystery, it's a reflection of your mind. Step 7. Daily deliberate practice. Rewire one thought, one small action, one small victory, every day. Because lasting change doesn't happen in a big leap, it happens every day. One small step at a time. Small wins build unstoppable momentum. When you act despite fear, when you push despite discomfort, when you choose discipline over laziness, your mind rewires itself. Your subconscious learns, I am capable, I am strong, I am in control. Right now, you are standing at the most important crossroad of your life. One path leads to fear, excuses, regret. The other leads to action, growth, power. Will you continue believing you're not good enough? Will you let society's lies shape your future? Or will you finally step into discomfort and reclaim control over your mind? The only person responsible for your success is you. No one will hand it to you. No miracle will come. There are no shortcuts, no magic formula, just action. Start small. Start today. Take that cold shower. Read the first page of a book. Do the hard conversation. Push yourself for one more rep, one more step, one more decision. Each time you act, you break an old habit and build a new one. Don't wait for someday. Someday I'll start. Someday I'll be confident. Someday I'll be successful. That someday doesn't exist. Today is the day. The only thing standing between you and the life you want is your untrained mind. So make the choice now. Will you stay in fear or step into power? Will you continue living with excuses or take control of your mind? Because the battle is already happening inside your head. Who will win? Fear, comfort, or you? Choose growth. Choose action. Choose mastery. Your future self is waiting. Not tomorrow. Not someday. Right now. Take the first step. Fix your mind. And your life will follow. This is your time. This is your moment. The power to change everything is in your hands. The question isn't, can you change your life? It's, will you?